Hello there, my friends. So, these little button batteries. This one's a 2032, I think, is the designation on this one. Yeah, CR2032. This is a 3-volt battery. So, usually fits right in this slot right here perfectly. But this battery's dead, and I don't have a replacement. Now, if you find these at the store, they're usually at the dollar store for $1.25 or so. But let's say that you can't get to the store. Let's say there's some crazy illness out there that requires you to quarantine. Let's say that you just can't get to a store. Let's say that they don't have them. You know, they're out of stock. Supply chain's broken down, etc., etc. But you have some of these 1.5 volt batteries that are usually used for like hearing aids and that sort of thing. Well, I wonder if this will work. So this is I don't know if you can focus on that. So these batteries are like hearing aid batteries, but they're 1.5 volts. So basically I used Scotch tape to tape them together, and they're not the right size for this slot. So what we have to do here is one of these tweezers come in handy, especially offset ones. So yeah, put that there like that, put that there like that. Use the tweezers to pick up our screw like that. Oh, let's see if I have enough fingernails to be able to maneuver that in there. Actually, I think I do. Use the screwdriver to kind of position it, back it into the plastic hole, tighten it down a little bit, and then let's see what happens. Oh, how about that? 99 plus 3 equals 102. How about that? The calculator doesn't know the size of the battery, it only knows the voltage. 1.5 volts equals 1.3. So in a pinch, yeah, you can make this work. Hope you have a great day, and I'm going to do my taxes now with my business calculator. Have a great day. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. See you on the next one.